How to duplicate files on Mac. So this is going to be easy. I'll show you 3 very easy ways to do it. The first thing, you can see I have a duplicate folder right over here. To duplicate it, I can right click on it and then select duplicate right over here. Select duplicate and you can see it has created a duplicate copy. Now what happens if there are a few folders in it? Test, file, these are just random names. So as you can see, we have 3 folders. Now if I duplicate it, what happens? There's a second copy. As you can see, if I open it up, you can see all the files have also obviously been recreated. Now to duplicate it very easily, very fast, you can just select a file and press Command plus D to duplicate it once again. So we have basically 3 duplicate copies, and obviously we have the files in there as well. One way that you can also duplicate a file is just copy and pasting. You can copy the file by taking 2 fingers and tapping on your touchpad, or right clicking basically on any mouse and then selecting copy, and then I'm just going to right click again and select paste item, and you can see there is another file. Now the good thing about this is I can also go into another folder and press paste over here, and it's going to create a duplicate file in a duplicate file that is already there. I've just confused it for no reason, but that's how you do it. I can just paste item again and it's going to create another copy. So that is how you duplicate a file on Mac. It is very easy and it doesn't matter the size. As long as you have the storage on your Mac, it is going to duplicate the file. If you don't have the storage, it's going to give you an error. Hopefully this video is helpful. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comments.